nobody's watching. Okay, let's start. Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber. I am Prathyusha and this is a place where we have lots of fun. First of all, a very happy new year guys. We are in 2022. Oh my god. I'm super excited for 2022. I don't know about you guys. And that kind of gave me a thought about how we should welcome 2022, and I'm pretty sure by now you might have watched like a couple videos about how to welcome 2022, what to do, how to start the year and all that jazz, but I will give you the most simplest and the most minimalistic way through which you can actually welcome 2022. And before we go into that though, I just want to tell you guys, congratulations, you survived 2020. We survived 2021. I mean, a lot happened last year. Especially in my life, there were some drastic changes, but still, it was a pretty good year for me, and I think 2021 will be a year I will always remember because it gave me so many memories. It taught me so much, so I'll forever be grateful for that. And yeah, I've blabbered too much, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's start our list. The first one is to list all the achievements of 2021. I mean, I know it's difficult to remember everything that happened last year, but I'm pretty sure there are moments that you're very proud of, moments that made you feel great to be alive, and moments that actually touched your heart, made you cry, or made you super happy. So whatever it is, it doesn't matter whether they are small or big. The second thing on the list is the least talked about thing, but it's the most important thing, and that is to clear your desktop or your mobile phones. I know you guys will be like, what? But just think about it, guys. Just look at your own laptop desktops, okay, or your mobile screens. How are they? Aren't they messy? Aren't they all over the place? Mine was too, and I cleared it. So yeah, I would suggest you do too, because sometimes when we talk about clearing things, we always talk about the materialistic things that are around us, which is important, by the way. You have to live in a clean environment, but the cleanliness actually applies to the gadgets too. It could be your iPad, it could be your screen, I mean your laptop, desktop, or your mobile, whatever it is, they also need to be clean. They need a new look too. So start doing that. No, don't just start doing it, do it now. It hardly takes 10 minutes, guys. I did it myself, so I'm telling you, do it, especially too. Now the third one is to make a reading list. Yes, make a reading list. And to be more precise, make a reading list. Make a list of 12 books that you want to read this year, okay? And it means one book every month, so that it's not too much pressure on you, but at the same time, at the end of 2022, you have already read 12 amazing books. If you are someone like me and you are very keen about your list and you want everything to be proper, make two lists. One list is about all the non-fiction books that you want to read. It could be productivity, leadership, whatever it is. And the second one would be all the fiction books that you want to read. The writers that you want to discover, or your favorite writer actually has a new book out and you want to read it. Whatever it is, just make a list. Yeah. And it's okay if your list exceeds 12. The fourth one is also related to the list, and that is your goals list. And this list is not your monthly goals or weekly goals, but yearly goals. Okay, these are the areas I want you to focus on. And the 5 main areas that I am talking about is health, finance, hobby, learning, and relationships. Yeah, kind of a big list, right? But the one thing that I will tell you is, don't list out 100 things below these categories. Okay, just list one thing. Like, let's say in the category of health, don't just write I will lose this much weight, or I want to lose this much weight, or this is what I want to do. No, these are some things you have to make into lifetime routines and not just a list. So instead of writing I will lose this much weight, write I will start exercising or I will go to gym every day, or I will start cycling every day. Anything that you love. Okay, it doesn't have to be just gym. Move your body. Okay, that's the least and the most simplest thing you can do. So make something like that and commit to it. This is not a monthly goals. Again, these are not monthly goals or weekly goals. These are actually the yearly goals. This is something you want to do the entire year. So commit to it. Before making the list, think about them, think if you can commit to them, and then make a list. And the last one is, don't get overwhelmed. This is an advice, and I want you to write it everywhere that you can write. Make it into your desktop wallpaper or your mobile wallpaper. But yeah, remember that, do not get overwhelmed. Sometimes because of everything happening around us, or because of the social media, some things that are simple and minimalist are actually portrayed or showcased in a larger way. Okay, it's almost like it is shown through a lens. Yes, 2022 is here, but it doesn't mean that you have to suddenly start rushing, or you have to get overwhelmed, get scared, or feel like there is something you have lost or something you have to do, something you shouldn't miss out. It's not. It's just another year, guys. Okay, things that you have learned in 2021, you will be implementing in 2022. Things you couldn't do in 21, you'll be doing it in 22. That's all. It's just another year. Don't let the entire social media jazz get into you and make you believe like 2022 is something, a huge monster or a huge mountain that you have to climb. It's not. It's just another year, and it is just another day, okay, for you. Years come and go by, but the most important thing that we should focus on is how we welcomed it, how we lived each day. So what we learned, what we accomplished, these are more important than anything else. So that's my advice to you. Don't get overwhelmed. You are your own magic. You are the protagonist of your own story. So don't try to rush it. Yeah, I know. It's too much of philosophy. Because it's 22 and I'm getting into the philosophical mode, that's why I'm telling this. So on this beautiful note, I'm going to end my video. So you guys like it, then I'm would suggest you to subscribe to my channel and share this with anyone who might need this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.